and Smart System overhead crane project achieves success. A new project has successfully used 5G technology and smart systems to run overhead cranes without the need for operators. The 5G system's fast speed, wide coverage, and low delay make it perfect for controlling 3 grab bucket cranes automatically. The upgrade added smart software, material recognition, and 3D positioning to the cranes. This allows the cranes to automatically match materials, avoid overloads, run smoothly, and position materials accurately. The system also includes smart maintenance, health checks for the equipment, video surveillance, and safety features to protect both workers and machines. As a result, the cranes now operate fully automatically, improving productivity and reducing workers' physical effort. This project makes the site one of the first in the area to use 5G for automatic material handling and smart crane control.